Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best gear you can buy today. And if you're looking for the best keyboard piano with 88 weighted keys, then look no further. Today, we're diving into the Alesis Recital Pro, a powerhouse digital piano that delivers premium features at an unbeatable price. Let's start with what makes this keyboard stand out right away: the feel. The Alesis Recital Pro features 88 full-sized, weighted hammer action keys. That means whether you're a beginner aiming for a classical touch or an experienced pianist who needs the real-deal response, this keyboard brings the feel of an acoustic piano right to your fingertips. What's more, you can even adjust the touch sensitivity to match your playing style, whether soft and delicate or punchy and aggressive. Sound is another area where the Recital Pro punches well above its weight. You get 12 onboard voices, everything from rich acoustic pianos and warm electric pianos, to punchy organs, dreamy synths, and fat bass tones. And with built-in effects like chorus, modulation, and reverb, you've got all the tools to shape your sound right on the keyboard itself. Speaking of sound, this digital piano isn't shy about making itself heard. The dual 20-watt speakers provide room-filling audio. Whether you're playing in your bedroom, your living room, or even a small performance space, this keyboard brings a clean and powerful presence without needing external amplification. But if you want to practice quietly, the Recital Pro has you covered. There's a 1/4-inch stereo headphone output so you can play anytime without disturbing the people around you. There's also stereo line outputs, making it super easy to connect to external amps or mixers when you're ready to take your music to the stage. Now let's talk about features designed for learning and creativity. The Recital Pro includes standard mode for full keyboard use, layer mode for combining two voices together, and split mode to assign different voices to the left and right hand. Then there's lesson mode, perfect for students and teachers, which splits the keyboard into two identical zones. Add in the record mode, and you can capture your performances or practice sessions to play back and learn from. And it doesn't stop there. The Alesis Recital Pro comes bundled with two amazing educational bonuses. First, you get a 3-month premium subscription to Scoove, an online platform for interactive piano lessons. And second, there's a 30-day subscription to Melodics, which offers 100 virtual lessons to improve your skills across various genres and playing techniques. This keyboard is also travel-ready. While it comes with a power adapter, you can also use 6D cell batteries for completely wireless performance, great for gigs, rehearsals, or simply moving around the house without being tethered to a wall. In terms of connectivity, the Alesis Recital Pro checks all the boxes. There's USB MIDI output so you can plug it straight into your computer or DAW for recording and virtual instrument playback. There's a sustained pedal input, although the pedal is sold separately, but it's compatible with most standard ones out there. The design is sleek, modern, and all black, making it a visually elegant addition to any home setup or stage rig. And with a maximum polyphony of 128 notes, you're ensured smooth, natural sound even when playing complex pieces with sustain and layered voices. To sum it all up, the Alesis Recital Pro is not just another keyboard. It's a complete piano experience packed into a portable, affordable package. Whether you're starting out or stepping up, it offers the touch, tone, and tools you need to play your best. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this digital piano sounds like your next instrument, check out the link in the description for more details. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews on the best products in music and tech. See you in the next one.